Hello guys, are you looking for the pronunciation of this word? So, I'm here to tell you the correct way of pronouncing this word. So let's start. The correct way of pronouncing this word is Italy, 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 Italy. Once more time, Italy, 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 Italy. Repeat it with me. Italy, 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 Italy. I hope that the pronunciation of this word is clear to all of you. So, the correct way of pronouncing this word is Italy, Italy. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos related to pronunciation.